people that came up with the idea. We have the Los Angeles abrasion machine. Then we have what we call the Los Angeles discharge, which are used for the test.
Salam.
Today we filled with the bitumen. These are the hollow rings. We filled it. We just place it over here. We just trim it, the surface top, get it the level. Then we have the red balls, just standard one. These are the two balls. And we have the centering ring. We'll just place on the ring so that the ball should be in the center. Ball is in center. This is the distance they have to travel. Okay, after the water get heated, the balls also get heated. They are more steel, so they started to penetrate. Okay, when this touches this plate, the bottom one, we will say, okay, this is the temperature for 4.5 degrees, and then the other ball also touch. For example, it's around 41. So we'll say, okay, we'll take the mean of these two, and that is the softening point of this on the heat. And for first 3 minutes, we will monitor the temperature that it
Go to a mixture.
there used to be some fluffy type thing just to put it on, just for the learning purpose we are just doing it by hand. Okay. Okay, where is the guy with the top? Okay, just start it. I will let you know how to. Okay, just come ahead. You already started. Okay, you keep on wiping like this so that you see what is going on there as well. And this is for the magnet stir increase, because at bottom heating started here. Okay, at top it is the golden one.
Yeah.
This is the heating. We will adjust a little bit more. Now keep on separating the temperature. You see it started rising a little bit. It's already mentioned in it. We will take around 4 kgs of soil. It should be clear from the debris like stones and 4.5 kgs and put it over here. Then the next step is the moisture content added. Before doing this test, we have to do a test of in the soil lab, that is standard Proctor test. Maybe you have done the standard Proctor or the modified Proctor. For height, let me show you how to measure the practical. It is okay, also okay, but you are most probably very good. That was a little bit difficult. So, because this is like this. Maybe very small difference, but it's more better. Huh? What can you do?
127.27.
To that level that it gets some moisture, because what I am saying that optimum moisture content is that we keep on adding water, then there's a point comes that after that if we put more water it becomes slurry. So it's better you people come over this side. You just come over. So I know, just put it down. Make it 0.
6.06.
You just you also put down. You give water. You just mix the soil with water. So just add little water time by time. Okay, don't put more. Okay, just make it a little bit gap in there. Put water. Then if you want to think anything like this, just mix it. Just add some water. You see the width of this one. So 1 and this. I will let you know later why we put this. This is to create some space. During CBR test, I will let you know why we created this space. Okay, now. So we are going to use 5 days for this test. As the time values run too fast, so you just prepare a small video later on. You just prepare a small video and you will get back. Okay, so these are behaving the top layers. So that is what it is called surcharge load. That the load is being carried on the. You can see. Done? Yeah. You see it's moving. So around 12 we get the value. Okay? Just stop it.
Test for engine. Which one?
4, 5, 6, 7. And on top of each of the opening, there is a size. This one is those that passes 3 are 10 or 50. That means this one. Right? This one is those that pass 50 are 10 on 7.5. That means if you look at it, the second one. This one is those that pass 20.
Yeah.
So you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see there is difference. The other one we have 63 to 50. And this one we have from 50 to 7.5. So the same thing, in this one too you have to do screening. In thickness gauge. Flakiness is trying to determine the thickness, whereas this one, elongation, is trying to determine the length. That's why it's called the metal length gauge, the metal thickness gauge. Pass it. Pass it. Did not pass. Did not pass. Which one do you need now? Yeah, then you take the weight of the passage. Then you follow him, then you don't forget he is giving you 50 for the second one. that you just know they'll pass. All these ones you know they'll pass, you just put them pass. Pass.
Right after leaking is, I think, right side. See where the material can elongate and then can contract into its position. That is what we call. Okay, mold inilah kita akan guna for this test. Effectively, what we call as briquette mold. This is a briquette mold. Okay, actually. So first of all, we got to assemble. You can take a look inside it. Can you see? I have already the sample. Okay. So if you take out, you take the bottom plate, okay, together with the side plate. Okay, you take it out and then you put the sample. Right. Yeah, sure, okay. Okay. You mean when you sometimes when it touches the base, then you can stop. Yes, is it touching the base actually? It is right. Actually, it's over 100 already. Getting a value of 123.44 centimeters. Just can record.
So nice, ada number 1, 2, 3, 4 only.
Yeah, actually. Mentioned before, we have different binder tests we have done already. Softening point, activity test. Now we have the bitumen penetration test. This is one of the simple and the most important. Cool it, okay? Because initially it is hot. After that, we need to keep in water bath for next 60 to 90 minutes, so that to have a uniform temperature. Test temperature is bitumen specimen. Because the test temperature is 25 degrees C, we need to have the temperature throughout the sample, inside, middle, on the sides, the 25, and then we can see how much it penetrates. Like this. So this reading grade is the penetration grade of bitumen. These are 1/10 of millimeter. And then we can start. We can lose it and slowly, and it will just touch the surface. Okay, this is the standard container where we can take the reading. The reading should be, the point of testing should be 10 millimeter away from the sides, and if you take multiple tests, so the testing point should also be away about 10 millimeter. Like you should not take, testing time is 5 seconds. Then we can start, just press. The needle is penetrating. Stop. So now we can see the gap because the needle penetrates. So from here we can bring this to cover this gap. Now it's touched. So this is our grade. How much is the reading? 70? Yes. So we have the table, right? No.
And yeah,
You feel the gap. Look here when you touch here.
67. There is no 71.
How much?
71.
Yeah.
These samples for yesterday, they are due to settle now. We are going to make the same air void, what will transfer and voids in mineral aggregate. After doing that, you now here, marker, So this one will give you the marshal stability in kilonewton. This one will give you the flow in millimeters. Yeah, so this the only thing you get from this machine is the marshal stability value and the flow value. So this will
any notation you want maybe. Okay, also don't forget this was determined as 5% OPC. That means the optimum bitumen content was 5%. So maybe we just leave it maybe 2 minutes or 2 minutes, not immediately, so that the water can be able to penetrate the pores. Until this is stable. This is going to be stable. When it is stable, then we take what? The apparent. Now for the next sample, make sure 0.
dry. Yeah, surface dry. Make sure the surface is dry. Then you take the average. Okay, yeah, bring it. You cannot record directly there because then we have 67 and 71. So take. Then next is 101.82. Next one is 101.73. When we finish mixing, maybe we can take 30 minutes. So we put A now. You need to be given space because I told you once you bring it out of the water bath, you have to test less than 2 minutes. Less than just as soon as you bring it out, you test. So now the first sample is inside. Note the time. Please note the time.
This is 1.2, right? As I told, 1,200 grams. So how many? What is the? What is the?
Now we need to. Then your stability is 8.39, your flow is 3.2. Yeah. See that blue, right? That drum. Here I give you
temperature. Check temperature. Okay, audio dia. It's very Sumpah. Oh,
that's gonna use it. I'm still seeing this one, so I don't want to see any spoon. Please, fast. Once you are taking, be mixing and then you are taking, yeah. Not good. You are laughing. Please get her one sample to do. She's laughing.
get it. Yeah. It was very nice. Yeah. If you want to take the picture, let me take it for you.
It really looks like it.
Tolong jangan rakam. Tak masuk. Aduh, jangan sini.